Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the round function in Excel. This function is essential for rounding numbers to a specified number of digits, making it particularly useful in financial modeling, budgeting, and any scenario where you need to present numbers in a cleaner or more readable format. The round function can help you control the number of decimal places in your data, ensuring consistency and precision in your calculations. Let's dive in. Here's what each part of the round function means. Number. This is the number you want to round. It can be a direct number, a cell reference, or a formula that returns a numeric value. Num digits. This specifies the number of digits to which you want to round the number. A positive value rounds to the specified number of decimal places, 0 rounds to the nearest integer, and a negative value rounds to the left of the decimal point. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you have a list of sales amounts that are recorded with several decimal places, and you want to round them to 2 decimal places for consistency in your financial report. Enter the sales amounts in cells A1 to A5. These amounts are recorded with varying numbers of decimal places, but for presentation purposes, you want to standardize them to 2 decimal places. In cell B1, enter the formula equals round A12 to round the number in cell A1 to 2 decimal places. Press Enter, and Excel will return 1234.57, which is the rounded value of the number in cell A1. Drag the formula down from B1 to B5 to apply it to the entire range. Excel will round each sales amount in column A to 2 decimal places in column B. Now let's consider a scenario where you want to round a list of scores to the nearest whole number. This is useful when you need to simplify the presentation of data or perform further analysis based on whole numbers. Enter the test scores in cells A1 to A5. These scores are currently displayed with decimal points, but you want to round them to the nearest whole number for a simplified analysis. In cell B1, enter the formula equals round A10 to round the number in cell A1 to the nearest whole number. Press Enter, and Excel will return 90, which is the rounded value of the score in cell A1. Drag the formula down from B1 to B5 to apply it to the entire range. Excel will round each test score in column A to the nearest whole number in column B. Let's consider a different scenario where you have a list of large numbers representing sales targets and you want to round them to the nearest 100 to simplify reporting. Enter the sales targets in cells A1 to A5. These targets are displayed as large numbers, and rounding them to the nearest 100 will simplify the presentation. In cell B1, enter the formula equals round A1-2 to round the number in cell A1 to the nearest 100. Press Enter, and Excel will return 152,300, which is the rounded value of the sales target in cell A1. Drag the formula down from B1 to B5 to apply it to the entire range. Excel will round each sales target in column A to the nearest 100 in column B. The round function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Use round to control the number of decimal places in financial data, ensuring consistency across reports and presentations. It is useful for data cleaning to simplify numbers for readability and analysis. Round can also help in budgeting and forecasting to estimate costs and revenues to a specific number of decimal places or significant figures.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.